Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Little Katie. If you didn't know that, then you probably should subscribe and turn on post notifications and leave a comment down below. So, today, well, I know I haven't made videos yet, but by the time I edit, it'll be on a different channel because I'm starting on that channel, but I'm still going to be on here. The only reason that's going to be on that channel is because I've got a little surprise because of this. Got my first camera and microphone. So I've been making videos on this each day of Vlogmas. So all of these will be uploaded probably in January, each day of January. So y'all will be seeing them, yeah. I'll probably upload and like edit here in December each day, or even like all of them in one day. Might take a long time, but you know. But you'll see them probably in January by the time I upload it all. But I got this present and I want to test it out. Here you go. Hello.
You just didn't even see me.
Sorry.
You just ignoring me. Oh, you one of my favorite people.
I know.
I got something for you for Christmas. You know what collectibles are?
Kind of.
You know, you get something, you hang on to it. Instead of going down in value, they go up in value.
Yes, sir.
This is supposed to go up in value. It probably already probably to replace it cost more than I paid for it. You're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it. So anyway, I've had it for a few months, a couple, two, 3 months.
Is it big?
Huh?
Is it big?
It's that big.
That big?
It's little.
Oh.
But what you got to do is you got to keep it. Got to put it up somewhere where you know where it is, and then maybe add to it every once in a while. Add another one to it of a different. You'll like it, I think.
Okay.
Make you wonder now, don't it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hammy.
Okay. So my friend got me a gift, and I want to test it out. So
Thank you. The mom do you?
it is one of these.
Your own one says.
The slime DIY. So
What do you got, Ted?
it's a present I got from my friend.
Awesome.
It's a slime present. Okay. So it says, okay. I did a direct something.
Church in that white truck.
I have no idea.
Okay,
I
it's
think it was the
yellow.
water people. Because they pulled up the,
It's yellow. So
What?
let's see.
He was up at Miss
So you can open
So I'm thinking it might
right
be
Where?
here.
Church when all that comes
I'm
through.
sorry
Yeah,
about
so
the
I'm
noise
thinking
in the
it might
back.
be water.
So
Thank you.
Yeah. All right.
and you just that over there.
I got a surprise for you. Is that mean to me? Huh?
No,
Huh?
no.
I got 2 surprises.
2.
Yeah. For you.
These go on. So
Maybe 3, I don't know. Who's counting?
I don't know. Do I have to get them on Christmas?
Huh?
Do I have to get them on Christmas?
Maybe before Christmas. 1 of them. 2 of them. 3rd would have to be Christmas.
Can I get one now?
No.
Aw.
No.
Is one of them money?
Huh?
Is one of them money?
Could be.
Is it like a lot of money?
Huh?
Is it like a lot of money?
What do you think, I got a lot or something?
Yeah.
No, I ain't got a lot. all you do is just go spend it.
Well, it's
And
money.
then start saving it.
I've been saving.
Huh? Yeah, I'm talking about save some real money, not just change.
That's all I got.
Huh?
That's all I have.
Well, if you get $20, you can put $20 up. You ain't got to spend it just cause you get $20 or $30 for Christmas
I know.
or whatever.
I know.
One of these days you'll want something and you'll need the money.
Yes, sir. So,
All right. Bye.
bye-bye.
Got a surprise for you. I ordered it. Somebody was talking about them, and I said, I want one of them for Cadence.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it?
It's a surprise.
I don't like surprises.
We just gonna have to wait.
I don't like surprises. Okay.
Okay,
That's one thing about me. I don't like surprises. Okay. So, we're gonna put our stickers on here. Oh, I think it's supposed to go right here because see what the circle is? Okay. So,
He's talking about going out to the Jacksons when he goes up there. And so I just do that. You can't talk to her about it.
Yeah, she sent me some stuff.
Okay. I'll give you the money you spend, whatever it is, however far it goes, it goes.
there we go.
All right.
So,
All right.
I'm just testing this out
Bye, girl.
and bye.
You're one of my favorite people, you know that, don't you?
Yes, sir.
You believe that, don't you?
Yes, sir.
You gullible. You believe anything. See you later.
See you later.
I love you, girl.
Love
Bye-bye.
you too. Okay. After talking for a long time, I put the stickers on, and it's a So Slime DIY, and it's yellow. So I'll put my name on it probably later, like a lot later. I put that on there, that thing, and then, so my little charm that I got was this little poop emoji with holes in its eyeball. Not scary at all. See it? I don't think you can see them, but they're like right there. But we're gonna do what it says to do. Okay. So I might have to go get some water, which that I'm perfectly fine with. I'll just go fill this thing up. I'll just go. I'll do that. So just did a little bit because I know this thing won't take a lot. Okay. So, I'm sorry, my microwave. So much noise now. Okay, so open this. Okay. So it says first pour slime container. I'm gonna do it differently. Okay, so the one thing is that if you put it over the line, it'll be too liquidy, but if you put it directly on the line, it's too hard. So should I put it a little bit over? Who knows? Be sure to add the water after you put the powder in decoration. Well, what if I want to put the water in now? Okay, so you put the slime powder in. Oh my god, my fingers. Snap it. Oh. Get all the slime powder. Okay. So it says that
We interviewed Leroy in jail, and he pretty much told us everything we needed with a lot more detail.
okay. So now we're gonna add our glitter, which I don't want going everywhere. So definitely cutting this one because my dad would kill me. He hates glitter.
Frederick is home by himself. That's the usual answer call. 10 minutes from his house. And Frederick.
Okay. Now that all of that's in, it said the water to water line. So it's cool. Gonna be cool. Like really cool.
When they started talking, he said, just let you know that
Okay. That's directly on the line.
your wife Patricia
Now. Now you put the lid on it. Shake for 30 seconds. Shake for 30 seconds. Hold onto the container and lid while shaking. And then remove lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing the slime. Okay. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why is it leaking? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Oh wait, I was supposed to only do it 30. Oops. Oops. Okay, and now it says
In 1990, Patricia had heart surgery, and it was
Here.
when they found some of
okay, it's getting everywhere.
she approached
Well,
Leroy, and she was contract else.
we've gotta put it on the instructions. Now.
I mean, that's exactly my
And then you gotta wait for 5 minutes. Well, I want to mix it just to see what it'll look like. So, hold on.
And then it says, Mark Russell, my son was told about this, so if anything happens to me, then he can tell the police what happened.
So, I don't think that I mixed it all the way.
Been making a mess over there.
I'm not. So,
Your father admitted to killing this guy in the murder from Iowa.
okay. So, now we gotta wait for 5 minutes.
Oh my God, he did this.
When it gets to 19.
Your
Yeah.
feelings,
To 19 minutes.
I can't forgive a person
Okay.
for killing somebody, for taking somebody else's life. That's just, you just can't do that. This whole time I felt like
I'm gonna make cake.
there.
Not like an actual piece of cake, but you know. Because I've got to heat one up to make it like legit cake. So I'm gonna move this so my dog doesn't get it. And yeah.
July 21st, 1994, Madison County, Alabama issued fugitive arrest warrants for Patricia Brown and her sister Sheila. And they were both listed in the same way in connection with the murder. When Patricia Brown was arrested, she was looked at the authorities and said, I've been expecting you. You arrested my brother, a little boy, in Pennsylvania. All reviews of this, sentenced to 50 plus 30 years in prison for his involvement in the murder of your brother. Patricia Brown was sentenced to life in prison and died in prison in 1996. In 1995, Sheila Reeser was sentenced to 50 years in prison for her involvement and then was paroled in 2013.
I don't think she should have got out of jail. I think she should be doing just as much time as my dad's doing. Because I feel that she murdered him too.
To me, the worst part of it is that Fred Brown was, in my opinion, killed for no reason whatsoever. His family was destroyed for no reason. His kids lost both parents in this thing. That's the worst part.
I'm sorry for what my dad did. I feel really bad for them. I just want to say sorry to them also. Let them know that I care.
It's 16 minutes and that does not look like time. Just a fan. Yum.
I think about Fred. What a fine fellow he was. I don't know what precipitated it, but he said, I wouldn't be surprised if my wife didn't get a contract out of it. How pathetic it would be.
Hold on.
That was one of the best.
Can I finish this in like 2 minutes?
Responded to the scene in around 300 block Mulberry Street. Very desolate. Heavily wooded, lots of hills, leaves, houses are far apart. It's a kind of place where no one would be.
Okay. That's enough of that. Well, that was the last piece. Oh my god. See, it's super hard.
Just on the other side of the river from St. Louis, Missouri.
Kind of sticky though. I hate glitter. Oh, this is a water glitter.
Josie Merrifield and Sandra Merrifield were
Okay.
sisters, half-sisters with different mothers.
Okay, this is actually really good. I heard some bad reviews about it.
In 1989,
Okay.
sisters were living
My only bad review about it
and
Let's look at my hands. Do you not see how much glitter is on there?
Actually ended up taking care of the smaller children.
That's my only bad review.
Sandy was
But,
kind of
you
quiet.
know,
She was older sister, she was bigger.
neon slime.
She was
Okay, this is the neon slime, and
like she had no cares in the world.
neon you could either,
She was
okay.
this cute little feather-faced girl. That's how she was infectious.
It makes no crackling whatsoever. Kind of mad about that, but you know.
She felt
Yeah.
like a mother to the
It stretches okay,
was the one
but I actually want to see what would happen if I added just a tiny bit more water.
There was quite a bit
Oh
of
my
love
god.
to spend that much
I want to add just a little bit more water. Shake it. That is flart. And see what happens.
She had a lot of love for her sister. But at the same time, even though
Okay.
people told her
I added some water. Time to shakey shake shake.
discipline
Oops.
pretty well.
Oops.
So I'm sure Josie felt a little bit controlled.
Not mixing. It's legit not mixing.
and it was a very patriarchal
How
household.
is that even sticker? Okay. See, this is my only downfall. I'm gonna have to get glitter off of my hands. But I really like it other than that. But how does this happen? Like,
Sandy did not have a great relationship.
I need it even more stickier. I want it stickier.
Sandy was
I like sticky slime, so that's why I'm gonna have glitter in my nails for days.
a lot of the things that a mom or parent would do.
Glitter in my nails.
1997, Josie is 16 years old. Her older sister Sandy is 20. Sandy's getting her life together. She's got goals and plans. She's graduated from Collinsville High School. She's studying to be a certified nurse's assistant. But she's also still living at home and taking care of the household. Josie is a 16-year-old in high school, but I don't think that studying
Okay, I might have just dropped it on the floor, but
pretty girl
we're
should
good.
not
We're
be
safe.
out having fun.
Why is it so stretchy? Like, no. See, and it doesn't even get anywhere if it like rips. What happens if you put the... Really?
After high school, Sandy started dating Everett Jackson. He was a pretty solid guy. He was a plumber.
Everett and Sandy was definitely trying to have children.
Okay,
For certain, Sandy
so-
thought she could be a pretty good mother to her child.
For Sandy, this was
So
all she
some
ever wanted and
Of
how she
what was
spent
at the bottom kind of got in the water, so
her age, she was taking care of children.
I recommend this. I mean,
Part of her identity.
this is some really good slime, although the glitter, if you get a glitter one, it does get on your hands.
Josie's the one that ends up getting
But
when she's 16.
other than the downfall of that, it's pretty darn good, and you can change the color. And I feel like it's a clear slime.
It hit Sandy hard. She was jealous, felt cheated, felt like Josie was getting her life by having a baby.
It's November of 1998 when Josie has a baby boy. The father was not in the picture. Josie leaned on Sandy quite
At
a
the
bit
surprise.
because she was young and
At the
had very little
surprise,
experience
does it
caring
like
for
change
children.
color
Sandy knew how to take care of
or
babies.
something?
But I think underneath it was really difficult for her because she wanted her own kids and maybe it resentted her sister a little bit that she had
Oh,
her own babies.
that smells like a great present.
So that's how
Thank you, Emma.
Sandy got her phone call and got her own
Okay,
place without
so I
Sandy
love this,
starting her own life,
and I
going out,
will
being
always
social.
love this.
And Josie, who's now a mom,
So good.
is stuck at
So,
home and having to take care of a baby.
that is it for this video, and I hope you have a good day, and bye.